Could you give us a quick introduction of KENGIC?
Okay, so KENGIC is a technology company based in China. So we are specialized in delivering intelligent through automation. So we have three main business lineup. And the first one is for smart manufacturing solution, and the second one is for the smart logistic and warehouse solution, and the last one is for the new energy solution. Yeah.
Thank you for your sharing. So, as the head of Indonesia, so could you share some information about the KENGIC's presence in the Southeast Asia? For example, what kind of project or success have achieved there?
Okay, so in Southeast Asia, we have several projects successfully delivered to Malaysia, Thailand, Philippines, Vietnam. So for me as Indonesia representative officer, so we have done several projects in diversified industry. I mean, our product is not segmented to just one industry sector. So we supply to the automotive sector and also F&B and also express and logistic company. And please remember, our product also can be implemented on the cold temperature. I mean, we successfully deliver for cold storage warehouse in Thailand. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.